What's up guys, Nick here, back with another quick iOS tips that could totally save your day. iOS 27 public beta is officially here, but this update is definitely not small. If you're upgrading from an earlier iOS 27 beta, you may need to download around 9 GB, but if your iPhone is still running iOS 26, the update package could be more than 20 GB. First, let's go over how to install it. Open Settings, go to General, tap Software Update, and then select Beta Updates. From there, switch to iOS 27 public beta, and the update should appear. Before you install it though, make sure you back up your iPhone first. This is still beta software, so creating a backup can help protect your important data in case anything goes wrong during the update. Now here's where things get a little confusing. Some users have reported that the iOS 27 public beta update simply doesn't appear on their iPhones. The same thing happened to me. I refreshed the software update page several times, but the new version still doesn't show up. But this doesn't necessarily mean there's a problem with your iPhone. If your device is already running iOS 27 Beta 3, you may not receive another update because Beta 3 and the first public beta use the same build. In other words, the Beta 3 version already installed on your iPhone is basically the same as the public beta with the same features and overall experience. So, if you're already on Beta 3, you don't need to reinstall anything. You can simply continue using it. However, if your device is running a version earlier than Beta 3 or you're still on iOS 26, you'll need to download and install the full update. To avoid running out of storage during the process, I recommend keeping around 40 GB of free space available before you begin. But what can you do if your iPhone doesn't have enough storage? In that case, you can use ReiBoot to update your iPhone through a computer. First, connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable and then open ReiBoot. On the home screen, click iOS Upgrade or Downgrade, select Upgrade, and then choose iOS 27 Beta 3 from the available firmware versions. ReiBoot will download the full firmware package directly to your computer, so the download itself won't take up storage space on your iPhone. You'll only need around 11 GB of free space on the device for the installation. The download speed will depend on your internet connection. Once the firmware is ready, follow the on-screen instructions to start the upgrade. During the update, do not unplug the USB cable or close ReiBoot. Just keep your iPhone connected and wait for the installation to finish and the device to restart automatically. Once the update is complete, you'll be able to experience iOS 27 public beta and try out the latest Siri AI features. I've placed the ReiBoot download link in the video description below, so you can check it out if you need an easier way to update. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more iOS updates. I'm Nick, and I'll see you in the next one.